Welcome back, entrepreneurs. In today's video, we'll be diving into the exciting world of starting an LLC in Nevada. We'll discuss why Nevada is an attractive option for entrepreneurs and provide you with a step-by-step guide on how to start an LLC and obtain an employer identification number, EIN. First things first, why should anyone consider starting an LLC in Nevada? Well, there are several compelling reasons. 1. Favorable tax environment. Nevada boasts a business-friendly tax structure with no corporate income tax, franchise tax, or personal income tax. This means more money in your pocket to reinvest in your business. 2. Asset protection. Forming an LLC provides a layer of personal liability protection. Your personal assets are separate from your business liabilities, ensuring that your home, savings, and other personal possessions remain shielded from business-related legal issues. 3. Privacy and confidentiality. Nevada offers a high level of privacy and confidentiality to business owners. The state does not require the disclosure of member information in public records, allowing you to maintain a certain degree of anonymity. 4. Corporate flexibility. Nevada's LLC laws provide business owners with a high degree of flexibility in structuring their company. You have the freedom to customize your operating agreements, choose different management structures, and even have a single-member LLC. 5. Enhanced credibility. Nevada is renowned for its business-friendly environment and well-established corporate law. By forming an LLC in Nevada, you may enhance your company's credibility and reputation, especially when dealing with clients, suppliers, and investors. Now that we understand the benefits, let's dive into the step-by-step process of starting an LLC in Nevada. Follow along, and you'll be well on your way to business ownership. Step 1. Research and planning. Before diving into the legal formalities, take some time to research and plan your business. Identify your target market, competitors, and unique value proposition. Develop a comprehensive business plan and ensure you have the necessary resources and capital to get started. Step 2. Select a name. Next, you'll need to choose a name for your LLC. Ensure that your chosen name is unique and available for use by conducting a search on the Nevada Secretary of State website. Once you find an available name, reserve it to prevent others from using it while you complete the registration process. Step 3. Register your LLC. To register your LLC, you'll need to file the necessary formation documents with the Nevada Secretary of State. Obtain the appropriate forms, such as the Articles of Organization, and fill them out with accurate information. Submit the completed forms along with the required filing fee. Step 4. Appoint a registered agent. Nevada requires LLCs to have a registered agent. A registered agent is an individual or business entity that accepts legal documents and official correspondence on behalf of your LLC. Ensure your registered agent has a physical address in Nevada and is available during regular business hours. Step 5. Create an operating agreement. Although not mandatory, it is highly recommended to create an operating agreement for your LLC. This agreement outlines the internal rules, regulations, and management structure of your company. It helps prevent misunderstandings and conflicts among members. Step 6. Obtain an EIN. Finally, you'll need to obtain an EIN, or Employer Identification Number, is a unique identifier issued by the Internal Revenue Service, IRS, for tax purposes. To obtain an EIN, visit the IRS website. Provide accurate information about your LLC and its members, and submit the form electronically or by mail. Step 7. Comply with ongoing requirements. Congratulations! You've successfully formed your LLC in Nevada. However, it's important to remember that there are ongoing requirements to maintain your LLC's compliance. 1. Annual reports. Nevada requires LLCs to file an annual report, providing updated information about your business, such as contact details and current members. Be sure to file your report on time to avoid penalties. 2. Business licenses and permits. Depending on your business activities, you may need to obtain specific licenses and permits at the local, state, or federal level. Research and comply with all necessary requirements to operate legally. 3. Maintain corporate formalities. It's crucial to maintain the separation between your personal and business affairs. Keep accurate financial records, hold annual meetings, and document important decisions to preserve the limited liability protection provided by your LLC. In conclusion, starting an LLC in Nevada offers numerous benefits, including a favorable tax environment, asset protection, and corporate flexibility. By following our step-by-step guide, you can navigate the process successfully. Remember, starting an LLC requires careful planning, adherence to legal requirements, and ongoing compliance. Seek professional advice from attorneys or business consultants to ensure you're making informed decisions. By choosing to start an LLC in Nevada, you're positioning yourself for success in a business-friendly state. If you are confused or consider these steps to be difficult, you can employ a professional formation service to file your LLC. Northwest Registered Agent is an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. Watch the rest of the video, where I will show you how to form an LLC in under 1 minute through Northwest Registered Agent. The full review of Northwest Registered Agent is also given in the description down below. Starting an LLC? Let us show you how to do it in a right way. First thing first, the whole point of an LLC is to separate you and your business. That's what protects your finances and privacy. Start by appointing a registered agent. Your LLC official point of contact. Hiring a registered agent is a smart and affordable method to maximize privacy. Next, see if your name is available by checking your state business database. Now you are ready to file state paperwork. The average fee is around $100. Apply for a free EIN from IRS website. Having your tax ID in hand you'll make the rest steps easy. Put your LLC policy in writing with an operating agreement. Make it easy with free template like ours. Remember when we said LLC separates you and your business, that's why your LLC needs its own bank account. Your bank account does not do any good in empty, time for each member to contribute. Be prepared for annual files and fees like state reports and taxes. Check the link in the description below. Start your LLC with Northwest Registered Agent.